Scouts, for this fun experiment, we're going to be making some homemade Play-Doh. Now, there's a few different ways that you can do this, but I found a really neat one using just cornstarch and shaving cream. You can usually find these around your house. Always ask for permission from your parents before you borrow their stuff for these experiments, and always make sure to have a parent or responsible adult around for all of this. So I'm going to start with the shaving cream. I just have a plastic bowl here to kind of contain some of the mess. I'm going to put a nice big squirt in there. Alright, and you just kind of got to play with it and see how it goes. If you need a little bit more shaving cream if it's too dry, or you might need a little bit more cornstarch if it's too wet. So I just kind of start using my fingertips here and getting it all mixed together. This one's a lot of fun because you can do it with your hands, and it gets kind of messy, and you just do it all in this bowl and keep your mess contained. And it's gonna stick to your hands, but I just keep working it. And see, this is too wet, so we're gonna add more cornstarch here. Mosquitoes are really bad out here today. Whew. I haven't seen Dino Dan in a while. I went to make rock candy, and I think he saw a squirrel and went running. So I don't know. We'll see if we're gonna have squirrel for dinner tonight. He's not a very good hunting dog, though. He's not much of a runner. He tends to trip and fall. But just kind of work it with your hands and keep squeezing it and keep squeezing it, and we'll cut to when I'm all done with this here. Just keep working it, and if it's too wet, add more cornstarch. If it's too dry, add more shaving cream, and it'll start coming together. It's kind of a messy thing. You just kind of got to keep working it. What the? Dino Dan, you rascal. I'm coming. Come here, you little rascal. Alright, well, we got Dino Dan put back in his cage for now, so hopefully he'll leave me alone. Sometimes he howls and cries when he's in his cage, so. Dan! Dino Dan, man. Keep her down, we're making videos for the Scouts. Alright, I'll get you a close-up here. See how that all comes together? And it smells nice too, so now you can make your Play-Doh at home.